Good morning, RGB. You or somebody you know might be in this situation. Today we will cover what is the SBA Debt Relief Program. Good morning, I am Christopher. The one that you can see on your screen right now is one of so many clients that we've helped. We will go over to her case. Before that, let me just that the company is WYCOTAX. I am the CEO. I'm a tax professional. We are an all-year-round, all-in-one tax payroll bookkeeping service solution. This is only a snapshot. This is a 15-minute webinar. We want to make sure that we just give you enough information for you to call us and to inquire about your situation. So this is one of our client success stories on our company.
From the time I joined or teamed up with WYCOTAX, I had a lot of stress on me running the store, taking care of finances, marketing and whatnot, and bookkeeping, and was one thing that was really, it was taking most of my time. And from the time I joined WYCOTAX, that was just like such a relief on my end that I don't have to worry about those things. And also, like, not just taking care of bookkeeping, I would say that with Chris and his team, I got such a good support. Like, any question regarding his business related, regarding its, helping any kind of assistance we need in terms of business, WYCOTAX is always there. And I'm really, really grateful of Chris and his entire team for supporting us from the time we joined them. And it's been a great help.
The more that we help you grow, everybody will grow.
There you go. So she's one of our clients. So the company, it doesn't move. All right, so if you want to find out more of our testimonies, just go online. We have more than 700 plus reviews on our clients. Whatever business you have, we are here to help you for your tax payroll bookkeeping service needs. For the WYCOTAX performance report, the company already processed as of July 1, 4.5 million tax credits and deductions. We also help our clients with their tax resolution. If they got audited, we have processed almost 500,000. Also, the EID, LPPP, and shared work program, all of these are the other services we provide. If you or somebody that you know that in this situation, please share us, because all your referrals keep our employees. We do appreciate that. Thank you very much. For the past months, we were able to keep as much as everybody full-time on our company because of the referrals. If you would like to watch the past presentations, all you have to go or just to do is go to our website. Also on our YouTube channel, just click WYCOTAX or type WYCOTAX, then subscribe. If you want to connect to me up close and personal, just search on my LinkedIn profile at Let's Collaborate and Connect. If you have more questions for your tax payroll bookkeeping, especially September 15 would be the deadline for corporation to submit their tax return. We are already helping to file your tax return. Just a disclaimer that this material has been prepared. It's only for informational purposes only. It's not intended for any tax accounting advice. Every materials that used for this webinar are only for illustrative purposes and should not be relied for technical answers. We are an outsource company providing tax payroll and bookkeeping service solution. We are not associated with any institutions that will be mentioned on this presentation. Just to give you an icebreaker for you to take home on this presentation, if you are an entrepreneur or planning to put up a business, the most important thing that you need to learn is how to compute your taxes for not just 1 year, for the next 10, 15 years of your business. Do you know how much taxes have you been paying? If not, this is your chance to know. This is the best and basic, simplest way to compute it. All you have to do, the one that you can see on the above, is to put the number of working years. Either you're working on your business, how many more years are you planning to work? Then how much is your average income from the past that you started your business? If it's 100,000 average income, okay? So that would be your computation. You multiply the number of years that you see yourself going to work for 10 more years, 15 more years, 20 years, multiply it to your average income today, then take off 30% of that. That would be the taxes that you are looking. So on this diagram or this computation, in a 40-year working period with an average income of 100,000, that is a $4 million revenue less 30%, that is the tax, 1.7 million. There's a good news and bad news. Are you ready? The bad news is we have to pay tax one way or another. But what is the good news? You as a business owner, yes, I'm talking to you right now, you can control the amount of taxes that you want to pay. All you have to do is know the IRS regulation and apply it to your advantage, because as an entrepreneur, you help the economy, you promote jobs. Therefore, the IRS regulation is for you. Okay, so what is the SBA Debt Relief Program? This is our Continuous CARES Act funds presentation every Wednesday. This is the part 1. Our webinar agenda, this will last for 15 minutes. Participants are encouraged to type questions, and this session is being recorded and you can watch the replay on our YouTube. Then the PDF copy, if you want to read this, you just go to our website. Any topics, comments, and suggestions, anything that you want to say about our company, if you want us to provide some more topics, just let us know that you think is valuable for your business. Send it to 956-425-WYCO. Let's have a client overview. One of so many clients that we serve, Gloria, 45 years old. She's a single mom and owner of a restaurant. She's been running her business for the past 10 years. Then she obtained a 7A loan on 2018 for second location of her business because she's growing. But the problem, due to the COVID-19, she has temporarily closed her second location or all her business location on the second quarter of this year. Because of what? Because of this pandemic. That result to what? Loss on sales. And I'm sure it is not an isolated case. Many of us are on this situation. Now, how can she benefit from the SBA Debt Relief Program? So according to the SBA, as part of their coronavirus debt relief efforts, the SBA will pay 6 months of principal, interest, and any associated fees that borrowers owe for all current 7A, 504, and microloans in regular servicing status, as well as the new 7A, 504, and microloans disbursed prior to September 27, 2020. However, that the relief is not available for Paycheck Protection Program loans or economic injury disaster loans. The borrowers do not need to apply for this assistance. Just a reminder, you do not need to apply for this assistance. It will be automatically provided as follows. For loans not on deferment, SBA will begin making payments with the next payment due on the loan and will make the 6 monthly payments. For loans currently on deferment, SBA will begin making payments with the next payment due after the deferment period has ended and will make 6 monthly payments. And then number 3, for loans made after March 27 and fully disbursed prior to September 27, 2020, the SBA will begin making payments with the first payment due on the loan and will make 6 monthly payments. The SBA has notified that the 7A, 504, and microloan lenders that it will pay these borrower loan payments. They already coordinated with your lenders or with your bankers, and lenders have been instructed. They have been instructed to refrain from collecting loan payments from borrowers. If you guys are still receiving and you think that you've been paying the 7A loan and then you've still been paying it monthly to your lender, they're still collecting, it's better to contact the SBA also with your banker. If a borrower's payment was collected after March 27, lenders were instructed to inform the borrower that they have the option of having the loan payment returned by the lender or applying the loan payment to further reduce the loan balance after the SBA's payment. Therefore, that's why, guys, it's cash is king. If you think, like what I have mentioned a while ago, that you've been paying. So you have been paying after March 27, you're not supposed to be paying that because the SBA will cover it. you can actually request a refund or apply that loan payment on the other for the future monthly payment. The borrower should contact their lender if you guys have any more questions regarding the payment relief. For the resources, all you have to do is just type the SBA Debt Relief Program and type SBA. Therefore, it will show up. But if you have a hard time, just click this link below and you would find the website. It will directly show you the article that published by the SBA. So now for Gloria, that's her option, because I mean, like, if she has continued losing her business, she can actually use that not to pay the lender, and she can use the money for other operational expenses. However, now on the journey of an entrepreneur for her, she, like what we have mentioned, she's a single mom and owner of a restaurant running her business for the past 10 years. She had a virtual meeting to one of our tax professionals, and we found out that she suffered business losses since 2018 because she keeps expanding one location after the other. Now, what's going to happen? From 2018 to 2019, she declared zero net profit, actually a negative net profit. But the question is, can she turn this business losses to tax refunds? We will find out on next Wednesday. You have to stay tuned. How can the IRS help her to recover her losses and convert it to a quick tax refunds? This is something new, so you stay tuned if you think you are in this situation. That is, we will cover next Wednesday, the net operating loss refund. That is September 9, 10 a.m. We have a Spanish presentation today. Just stay tuned at 11 a.m. Our in-house accountant, Mr. Juan Torrebiartes, will do the Spanish. If you have more questions, just click here and book our appointment. Because what do we want is to organize your books, payroll, and taxes. Even, by the way, before I forgot, I am an IRS Acceptance Agent. A lot of you are asking, what does it mean, Christopher? It means that if you don't have a social security, but you need a tax ID number or ITIN, I can help you to verify all those documents. You don't need to submit the original documents to the IRS, your passport, all your delicate IDs. You don't have to submit that. I can verify it for you. All you have to do is we need to have a meeting either virtually or in my office. All right. So our goal is to organize your tax, payroll, bookkeeping to comply with the recent regulation under the CARES Act rather than this one. Don't do it yourself. I promise you, it's going to be much more difficult from this year forward. The goal of our company is for you, your success is our business. So that's why any tax, payroll, bookkeeping, that is our job. And we are not a robot. You have somebody to talk to. A lot of people rely on online that doesn't have that much years of experience. And from other country, it would be very difficult because they don't know what's happening with the recent regulation. Our company, WYCOTAX, started on 2015. We currently have 2 locations. We are an all year round, all-in-one tax, payroll, bookkeeping service solution. We have a combined more than 20 years experience. Please check our reviews, check our credentials, credibility online in Google, Facebook, any social platform. We are mostly there, and now LinkedIn. Read more of our success stories. If you would like to have watch these past webinars, just go to our YouTube channel and a free PDF copy of our tax bookkeeping checklist. Any topics, comments, suggestions that you would like us to know, please send it to 956-425-WYCO. All right, there you go. Because great things are in business will never be done by one person. They will be done by the team of people. You, the people that you know, and us, we can work together. Thank you for watching Why Coffee Break. And again, here in WYCOTAX, your success is our business. Have a great day.